Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Photosmart 6510 series printer on your Windows laptop, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP Photosmart 6510 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page. This is HP Photosmart 6510E all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down underneath support categories, select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to expand the driver product installation software category. And there should be an HP Photosmart 6510E all-in-one printer series basic driver. Go ahead and download that item. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes to begin, and then just follow along with the on-screen directions. You want to agree to the license terms. And then if there's any optional software you'd like to install, you're welcome to do so with the process here with the wizard. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.